And the winner is Early Up. Congratulations.
Early Up, based in Chinderah. Congratulations. This business is a local market leader in quality landscaping, gardening and lawn services across far northern New South Wales and the Gold Coast. Their friendly, approachable and professional team of gardenologists make their customers' yards and gardens so beautiful that you will never want to leave your home. Come on up, guys, and a big congratulations to our champion home and garden improvement winners, Early Up, Chinderah.
Okay, not really, but anyway. Hey everyone, I want to do a shout out to Lismore, the people that won before. I'm from the Northern Rivers and I had 1.5 metres of water through my business a couple of weeks ago and I lost everything. It's absolute honour to be here tonight and actually win with the beautiful, my operations manager. I employ 20 staff in the Northern Rivers and yeah, it's been really difficult. It's been really difficult and but one thing I've got to say is in-house it's the green team. I've got 20 staff. They are the life and blood of the green team. There is lots of things I could say about them, but they were there not getting paid to clean up the mud and the shit that was through the shop. And they put us back together. 3 days later, we're back on the ground running and we're back out there again.